What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you or discuss with you what is pocket option. So you might be wondering what is pocket option here, and you're just figuring out what does pocket option do and is it good for you. So let's go and discuss what pocket option is first. So pocket option is a trading platform that offers binary options trading. Unlike the traditional stock trading where you buy and sell assets, binary options involve predicting whether the price of an asset like a stock or currency pair will go up or down within a specific time frame. Now, if your predictions is correct, you can earn a fixed amount payout. So if you're wrong, you lose your initial investment here. Now, how does pocket option make money from this? So pocket option makes money primarily through the, for example, the use of counterparty, meaning they take the opposite side of your prediction, and if you bet $5 that the market will go up and you're right, they pay you a set percentage of your bet. For example, 92%, which is 4.60 profit. But if you're wrong, they keep your entire $5. Now, in this case, notice that you never get 100% payout. The highest might be 92%, or it can go a bit lower than that, but meaning they keep the remaining 8%. So this difference is built in profit margin. Now, even if traders win sometimes, over the long run, the platform profits from the percentage they keep. Now, in this case, why would pocket option take their risk here? Now, statistically, most traders lose money because they don't fully understand trading psychology. So, meaning the risk management or market analysis of it. So, this gives pocket option an advantage since more people lose traders than win. Now, the platform also offers OTC or over-the-counter assets, which they source market makers by acting as both platform and counterparty. They control the liquidity and availability of assets, ensuring they stay profitable. Now, in this case, it would actually depend if you want to really dabble into this one. So if you're familiar with the trading psychology, it can be a great experience for you. You could try the platform stuff. But in this case, the risk is up to you. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.